Hi, I'm Carmela Baylon. Do you know how the letter A has different sounds like in ape and apple? In this video, you are going to learn about the vowel sounds. But before we jump into the lesson, please hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. And of course, the notification bell so that you won't miss the videos I will be uploading soon. Now, let's get to the lesson. Let's learn the vowel sound. At the end of this video, you will learn to give the long and short vowel sound, identify the words with long vowel sound and the words with short vowel sound, and give an example of words with long vowel sounds and words with short vowel sound. So here is the alphabet, and from this alphabet, we can identify the vowels as A, E, I, O, and U. Those are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The vowels have long and short sound. The long vowel sound is actually just the same as the name of the letters. Or the long sound of A is A. For letter E, E. For letter I. For letter O, O. And for letter U, U. Pretty easy, right? Now let's move to the short vowel sound. The short vowel sound has different sound. For letter A, it's A. For letter E, it's E. For letter I, it's I. For letter O, it's A. For letter U, it's A. Now let's give the long sound and the short sound of the vowels. For letter A, long sound is A. Short sound, A. A. You notice the difference? For letter E, the long sound is E, and the short sound is E. E. For the letter I, the long sound is I, and the short sound is I. I. For the letter O, the long sound is O, and the short sound is A. O. For the letter U, the long sound is U, and the short sound is A. U. It's easy to differentiate, right? Now let's look at the example for each vowel sound. For the long sound of A, A. We have ape, cake, bake. For the short sound of A, it's a, a. And our examples, we have apple, bat, cat. Now let's move to the long and short sound of E. For the long sound of E, it's E, E. Pit, feel, we. The short sound of E is E, E. We have pet, fell, well. Now let's move to I. The long sound of I is I, as in bite, kite, like. The short sound of I is E, E. Bit, kit, lick. Now let's proceed to O. The long sound of O is O, as in goat, hope, note. And the short sound of O is aw, aw, as in got, hop, not. Can you see the difference? Now let's go to U. The long sound of U is U, U, as in cute, mute, use. The short sound of U is as in cut, mutt, us. It's easy, right? Now let's try some exercises. Are you ready? You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Which word has the long A sound? Lag, lace, hat. Lag, lace, hat. Correct. Lace. Which word has the long E sound? B, left, less. B, left, less. You're right. B. Which word has the long I sound? Lit, bin, bike. Lit, bin, bike. Correct. Bike. Now, which word has the long O sound? Go, along, lost. Go, along, lost. Very good. Go. Which word has the long U sound? Huge, bug, hut. Huge, bug, hut. You're right! Huge! Now, which word has the short A sound? Lake, snake, ant. Correct! Ant. Which word has the short E sound? She, shed, me. She, shed, me. You're right. It's shed. Which word has the short I sound? Side, line, bin. Side, line, bin. Correct! Bin. Which word has the short O sound? Go, sold, hop. Go, sold, hop. Very good. Hop. Which word has the short U sound? Fun, mute, cure. Fun, mute, cure. You're right. It's fun. Now, can you give a word for each sound? For this exercise, you are going to give an example for short A and long A sound, and to the rest of the vowels. You can type your answers in the comment section below. And that's all for the vowel sounds. I hope this video helped. Please don't forget to leave a like. It will help other people to see this video. Now, if you have a comment or suggestion of other topics or lessons that you want me to make a video on, please feel free to type them in the comments section below. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.